Hello, this is the demo for task management by company hierarchy. So there are many tools out there which do task management, but this is the one and unique that does it by the company hierarchy. So when your company gets the access from Fairshare IT Services, then this is the first screen where you will see the CEO or president's ID already created for you. So after that, what CEO has to do is that he has to inform all his team first that you go ahead and install the task management app. So they can download it from Play Store. There is a link at the bottom of this video. So once they download, they should use their mobile number, and then they'll get the OTP. They can sign in. So once they sign in, only after that CEO can go ahead and add the corresponding management as well as staff members. So in this demo, I'm going to show you president, then staff, then management, and then after that staff. But in practice, depending on your organization, we can give you more levels as well. So more than 3 levels as well, right? So here is the, now let's start the demo. So first thing that the CEO will do after everybody has signed in is that click on the three dots menu on the top right corner. Then you will see a new user screen. Click on that. So after you click on new user screen, you can type in the phone number of the person, the manager in this case, or you can simply choose from the contacts. So this time I'm going to choose from the contacts. Alright, so alright, this is the name I chose and I clicked on create. So if the user has not installed and signed into task management, then this step is not possible, right? So okay, now I can add more people under the management. So this is the management level. So top is the president, then there are more managers I can add at this stage. But now I will quickly go ahead and add staff under Rohit Fadnis here in this case, right? So now I'm going to touch this particular box, and then I'll see Rohit Fadnis name. I'll again go to the three dot menu. I'll click on the new user, then I'll click on the contacts, and then I'll search for the staff under Rohit Fadnis. Yeah. So I clicked here and then again create. All right. So now this is what it looks like. All right. I'll go back. Using the back button on the Android phone, I can always go back and see who are the people under me, and then if I touch Rohit Fadnis, then who are the people under Rohit Fadnis. Of course, I can add more people here, right? Okay. I'll go back. Now, if I click on the plus button on Rohit Fadnis name, on the right side of that Rohit Fadnis box here, then I can assign task directly to the manager. So that is what normally will happen, that the president will assign a task directly to the manager. So here I'll give it some name. Let's say get check. Then I'll say here from Mr. Deshpande. All right, then here I can give the date, that by this particular date it has to happen. So I'll say 9th of October. Okay, then the priority in this case is high. All right, and then currently this particular task is in progress, so nothing needs to be done, and then I'm just going to click on the save button. Now if you look at this, you will see that there is one task in red, means it is still being worked on, right? If Rohit Fadnis opens his task manager and then clicks on the status button and says that please review this, it means that he has already taken care of the task that has been given to you, and then you will see under orange. And once as a president I verify that everything is looking okay, the money is already in my account, so in that case I will click it as completed, the task has completed, and in that case that particular task will move to green basically, right? Okay, now I'll do one more thing, one more interesting thing. I click on Rohit Fadnis in this case. Now as a president I want to assign task directly to my staff, right? So I'm going to click on the plus button on the top right of Nikhil, and here I'm going to say change WordPress. Okay, then here I'll say website contact us page. All right. Okay, and then here I'm going to set the deadline as October 30th, and then this is in progress and this is going to be urgent. Yeah, then I click on the save button again, right? Now here is what happens. Interesting part, that you'll see that Nikhil is having one task open, Rohit is also having one task open. But if I go back, you'll find that on the top page, Rohit has two tasks actually. So as a manager, it is his responsibility to get the task done from the staff who is like under him, right? So that is the beauty of it. Then also sometimes what happens is that as a president, I also have clients, right? I also have tasks, right? So in this case, if I click on the plus button, again here in the title I say call sir about demo, yeah, and then again I give the date as like today's date itself, and then click on save button. So now you'll see that I have got one task like open, then Rohit has got two tasks, but if I click on Rohit, then again like there are multiple tasks. You'll see that I have immediately got a alert as well. So the same way, like when I assign the task to somebody else, right, that person also gets the notification. Okay, so the steps to turn on the notification I'll tell separately, but this is the way like they will also get alert. And also when they change the status from in progress to please review, I will again get the alert back, right? So this is going to continuously happen, and the people will be alerted, and also on the deadline, on that target date, again automatically people will get alerted, right? So that way this system works quite smoothly, right? Now I'll go back. Now I'm on the main page. Now let's imagine that you have got many managers and also like many staff under them, and there are many tasks that are assigned to them. It is very difficult to go and like to a particular person and then take a look at the task or update it, right? So for that, what we have done is that if you click on the search button at the top, okay, and then let's say search for check, yeah, and then just type here, then you will immediately reach that particular task. So if there are multiple tasks for check, then of course you will get multiple results here. I click here, and then if I feel that this task is like complete, right, then I will change the status to completed and then save it. But in this case I want to keep it open, and of course I can change the date, priority, and anything I want. As a president, I have that got full flexibility, right? Okay, now just for the purpose of kind of demo, like I'll create like one more task here. Again I'll call it as get check. All right, or spelling mistake, check from Shri. Okay, then I'm gonna save it. Right now he has got like three tasks like assigned to him. I'll just go again here. I'll go to Rohit Fadnis, and I can see this kind of a different view where I can see in progress, how many are in review, and how many are completed, right? So both of these are like in progress. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on like one of the tasks, like let's say, okay, fine, this task is in high priority and this task is a normal task, right? So here if I click here, then I can sort by date also. So by default it is sorted by priority. So if I click on date, then you will see that the 6th of October task has gone up basically, right? And the 9th October has gone down. But if I go here again and I say sort by priority, then the high priority task has come to top, right? So there are many ways that we have provided where you can kind of sort it, search it, filter it. You can check into like different like kind of tabs here to find out like what kind of task and what is the status of the task. And then this plus button has different meaning based on where you are on the screen. So for example, I am already on this screen, and if I click here, and here if I again type in like get check, for example, from Pimpa Khare, all right, and then I here like what I do is I it's in progress, I save it here. But then what I do is that I click here and I say that this task is like is like under review, right? I can just mark it here, so you'll find it under please review tab. So I am the single one who's operating right now, but even if other person does it, it will automatically go. I mean, because this whole application works on the internet. The data itself is like stored in cloud. So because of that, like everybody is looking at the same data basically. It's though it is running from your mobile. So also the alerts that you get right on in your drawer, that's what they call it. Like if I do this, then you'll see that like all the all our task related alerts are available at the bottom. You can see like all these, right? So also this task, for your convenience, these alerts are available on this bell icon, right? If you click on the bell icon at the top, then you'll see that like all the tasks like that alerts that you got, they are like available here. So like some of these tasks like they belong to different organization, that's why like they're showing like this. And if you click on this drawer, right, then you'll see that for me I belong to like multiple organizations, like Japanese classes, or like for demo purposes I have created some organization. So I'll show you like my real organization in this case. So my real organization looks like this right now. So I am the CEO, and you'll see that there are many people who are like directly reporting to me as like managers. Now if I click on Rohit Fadnis, you will see that there are multiple people who are like working under him, but they are actually also managers. So now I'm going to give you a demo of the system where it goes to multiple levels, actually not just three, but actually fourth level. So you'll see that under Nikhil there are again like multiple people. So in the previous one you see that everything stops at like Nikhil, actually, right? He is the last person. But in this case there are people who are reporting to Nikhil also, and that's why you will see that the number of tasks open here, like are like many, actually. Like if you see focus on the completed task, focus on the in review task and all that, then you'll see that there are many tasks. And if I go up, then under Rohit Fadnis you will see 8 tasks are open, one is in progress, and 24 are like completed, right? So this is a very extensive task management application, and we are using it for Fairshare IT services, because like we have got around 150 clients, like all across the world. What happens is that whenever there is a task coming out, sometimes the tasks are so small that but if you don't do it, then there is a problem. So basically we don't want to forget anything. So that is the reason why we are heavily using this particular app, and then we find it very useful, so that we don't miss out any even a small thing that like our client tells us. Since like we are in the service industry, it is of utmost importance that we make sure that all their small and big tasks are like taken care of. So I hope you like the demo and you enjoy it. Please do contact us. I'll be giving the contact numbers and everything at the bottom of this YouTube video. Thank you so much.